Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, this thing can come off. Whew, Jesus. I have to get put this up in. Welcome. Hi, James. How are you? Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to give me a like. It's a busy day today for me. All right. I'm gonna cut it up, you know. I didn't want to, but I'm going to. I was gonna roast it like this, just like this. But I changed my mind. So the picture never come help me cut up the potato then. Listen, listen, man. I wish I could wait for you. Who love butternut squash? You like butternut squash? Yes, Kimawa. How are you? Thank you for coming back. Thank you for hanging with me. I see you like my channel now. I love it. I like you too. I like you too. So nice having you though. Always a pleasure, my love. Always a pleasure. Yep. This is some butternut squash. Yep. I'm cutting it up big. We're not cutting it up small. You might not eat it, but I just love it, guys. I don't know. It's healthy. I'm eating it with some mushrooms. Gotta have to start making healthier choices. Okay? Yeah. Full of fiber, everything. Everything. Alright. Let me take this out because you see this salmon is not a good cut. Or I don't know what type of salmon is. I don't know why it was on sale anyway. Never bought salmon at that store before. But I did for the first time and I'm regretting it. I am regretting it, guys. But we're gonna make this work, don't worry. It's me, you know. Mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms, but it's not what I like anymore. It's what's healthy, you know. I'm gonna wash it off. It's very healthy for us. And so that's what I'm working with, health, you know, instead of like. I'm gonna wash off these mushrooms. Yeah, but we want to make sure it's clean, guys. Right. We're gonna add the oven to 400 degrees. 400 degrees weather. Come on. 400 degrees. So let me do that right now.